Today we'll clean a glass from the Limescale, and inside here it has lots of salt. Okay, we'll use VIAKAL spray, this one over here. We'll spray it for 10 minutes, and then I usually spray it for 10 minutes. I leave it on for 15 minutes and then rub it with a sponge. So we let it moisture. Okay, so I'm getting a soft sponge and I wet it. So we rub a little bit the glass so we get rid of the Limescale. All the glass. The sponge has to be soft, not a brutal one, because it might damage the glass as well. So after 15 minutes, I will just run the water a little bit and then rub it a little bit more with a sponge. So I have this tool over here. It's a glass tool, and you just do this. After using the tool, you can see the difference already. It's see-through. Okay, I will do the same for the walls inside the bathroom here, because they have deposited Limescale. And after you use the tool, you can use kitchen roll, paper roll with the normal glass spray, or if you have something more sophisticated that protects the glass from the Limescale.